When we think about the well-being of our beloved pets, our minds often jump straight to the basics. What they eat, how much they play, and the regular routines of grooming. These are all essential aspects of responsible pet ownership, but there's a crucial part of overall health that often slips through the cracks: dental care. Just like humans, our cats and dogs rely on healthy teeth and gums, not only for eating comfortably, but also for their general health and happiness. Today, we're diving into the topic of dental health in cats and dogs, exploring why it matters, when and how to start a dental care routine, and what you can do to make the experience smoother for both you and your furry friend. Let's begin by discussing why dental health is so important for pets. It might come as a surprise to some, but dental disease is one of the most common health problems affecting cats and dogs. It often starts with the simple buildup of plaque, a soft, sticky film of bacteria on the teeth. If plaque isn't removed, it hardens into tartar, which is much more difficult to get rid of and can lead to inflammation of the gums, known as gingivitis. Left untreated, gingivitis can progress to periodontal disease, which can cause pain, tooth loss, and even infections that spread to other parts of the body. Have you ever leaned in for a cuddle only to be met by your pet's less than pleasant breath? Many of us laugh it off as typical dog breath or cat breath, but persistent bad odor is often a sign of underlying dental disease. This isn't just an issue of smelly kisses, it's a warning sign. Dental disease doesn't just affect the mouth. When bacteria from dental infections enter the bloodstream, they can travel to major organs like the heart, liver, and kidneys, potentially causing serious, even life-threatening health problems. So, when we neglect our pets' teeth, we're not just risking a few missing teeth, we could be jeopardizing their overall health and lifespan. To put it into perspective, imagine what would happen if we never brushed our own teeth. Plaque would build up, our gums would become inflamed, and eventually, we'd experience pain, tooth loss, and other health issues. The same consequences apply to our pets. That's why dental health isn't just a cosmetic concern. It's a vital part of keeping our companions healthy. Now, you might be wondering, when should I start brushing my pet's teeth? The answer is, the sooner the better. The best time to introduce toothbrushing is during the puppy or kitten stage, when your pet is most receptive to new experiences. At this age, they're learning about the world and tend to be more adaptable. Getting them used to having their mouths handled and associating brushing with something positive can set the stage for a lifetime of good oral hygiene. But what if your pet is already an adult? Don't worry, it's never too late to start. Adult dogs and cats may be more skeptical or even resistant at first. The very first time you try to bring a toothbrush near their mouth, they might pull away, clamp their jaws shut, or refuse to lift their lips. This is completely normal. The key is patience and positive reinforcement. Just like any new behavior, it takes time and gentle persistence. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Over time, even older pets can learn to tolerate, and sometimes even enjoy, having their teeth brushed. Before you start, it's important to gather the right tools. Not all toothbrushes and toothpastes are safe or effective for pets. The first rule: never use human toothpaste on your cat or dog. Many human toothpastes contain fluoride, xylitol, and other ingredients that are toxic to animals if swallowed. Instead, look for a toothpaste made specifically for pets. These are not only safe to swallow, but they also come in flavors that cats and dogs find appealing, like chicken, beef, or fish, making the process a little more enticing for them. As for brushes, there are several options to choose from. Small, soft bristled pet toothbrushes are designed to fit comfortably in an animal's mouth and reach all those tricky spots, especially the back molars where plaque tends to collect. Finger brushes are another popular choice, especially when you're just starting out. These slip over your finger and allow you to have more control and a gentler touch, which can be particularly helpful for pets who are anxious or fidgety. Now let's talk about the actual process of brushing your pet's teeth. The goal is to make this a positive, stress-free experience for both of you. Start by getting your pet accustomed to having their mouth touched. Gently lift their lips and touch their gums with your finger. You don't even need the toothbrush at first. Do this for a few seconds each day and offer plenty of praise and treats afterward. The idea is to build trust and create a positive association with mouth handling. Once your pet is comfortable with this, introduce a dab of pet toothpaste on your finger and let them lick it off. This helps them get used to the taste and texture. After a few sessions, you can start using the finger brush or toothbrush. In the beginning, keep the brushing sessions very short. Just 5 to 10 seconds is enough. Focus on the outer surfaces of the teeth, especially the back molars, using gentle, circular motions. These areas are where plaque and tartar tend to accumulate the most. Don't worry about brushing every single tooth at first. The main goal is to help your pet get used to the sensation. As your pet becomes more comfortable, you can gradually increase the duration and thoroughness of each session. Remember, it's far better to have short, positive experiences than to force a long, stressful session that makes your pet fearful of the process. One of the most effective ways to encourage cooperation is with rewards. Every time your pet allows you to brush their teeth, end the session with a favorite treat, a special toy, or a few minutes of extra playtime. This reinforces the idea that toothbrushing is a good thing. Over time, many pets come to actually enjoy the attention and the treats that follow. I remember the first time I tried to brush my dog's teeth. He wouldn't even let me lift his lip. But with plenty of treats, gentle encouragement, and a lot of patience, he gradually became more relaxed. Now he sits patiently and even wags his tail when he sees the toothbrush, because he knows it means he'll get a tasty reward afterward. You might be asking, how often should you brush your pet's teeth? The gold standard is daily brushing. Just as we brush our own teeth at least twice a day, our pets benefit from frequent cleaning to keep plaque and tartar at bay. However, daily brushing isn't always realistic, especially at the beginning. Aim for at least 3 to 4 times a week as a minimum. Even a few minutes a week can make a significant difference. Over time, as you and your pet settle into the routine, you may find that daily brushing is easier than you expected. Think of it this way. We spend a few minutes each day caring for our own teeth. Taking a few extra minutes each week for our pets is a small investment with big returns, helping to prevent pain, costly dental treatments, and serious health problems down the line. In addition to brushing, there are other ways to support your pet's dental health. Dental chews and sticks are widely available and can help to mechanically remove some plaque as your pet chews. Look for products approved by veterinary dental associations, as these have been tested for effectiveness. Some veterinarians may also recommend special dental diets, sprays, or water additives that help reduce bacteria in the mouth or prevent plaque from hardening into tartar. However, it's important to remember that these products are meant to supplement, not replace, regular brushing. Nothing is as effective as physically removing plaque from the teeth. Think of chews and additives as helpful extras, not a substitute for the toothbrush. Sometimes, even with the best efforts at home, professional help is needed. Watch for warning signs that your pet may need a veterinary dental cleaning. These include very bad breath, red or bleeding gums, visible tartar, loose or missing teeth, difficulty eating, or pawing at the mouth. If you notice any of these symptoms, schedule a visit with your veterinarian. Professional cleanings are performed under anesthesia, allowing the vet to thoroughly clean above and below the gum line, take dental x-rays if needed, and address any problem teeth. A veterinary cleaning is much like our own visits to the dentist. It's not something to be feared. Rather, it's an essential part of keeping our pets healthy and comfortable. Most pets recover quickly from the procedure and often feel much better afterward, especially if they were experiencing pain or infection. To sum things up, caring for your cat's or dog's teeth is one of the most loving things you can do as a pet owner. With a little patience, the right tools, and plenty of positive reinforcement, brushing your pet's teeth can become a regular, stress-free part of your routine. It's a small act that pays off in a big way, helping to prevent disease, reduce pain, and keep your furry friend happy and healthy for years to come. If you found these tips helpful, I encourage you to take the first step today. Pick up a pet toothbrush and toothpaste, and start with just a few seconds of gentle mouth handling. Remember, every little bit helps, and your pet will thank you in their own special way, with more energy, brighter eyes, and lots of healthy, happy smiles. Thank you for joining me in learning how to take better care of our pets' dental health. If this information made a difference for you and your furry family members, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips, like this video, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experiences, challenges, and successes with pet toothbrushing. Your support means the world and ensures you won't miss any of my upcoming pet health tips. Here's to healthier smiles and happier pets, one brush at a time.